So you received your child's SAT scores and they're not what you expected? Now what? First, I believe it's important to be able to analyze the results from the previous test in order to better understand your child's strengths as well as their weaknesses. See the previous T SAT scoring breakdown to better understand what each number on the report represents. At Zara Tutoring, the most important prerequisite to starting our test prep programs is completion of our SAT ACT diagnostic. It's a $150 assessment that students take at home first thing in the morning on a weekend in one sitting. The test takes 3.5 hours to complete, including 2 5-minute breaks. But what's the point? Well, since every university I'm aware of accepts both the SAT and ACT without a preference for one over the other, I believe it only makes sense to first determine which of these two tests better reflects the student's strengths and then go all in on that one test. I also don't believe in having students taking both tests, comparing the results, and then focusing on the one that had the higher score, because the student's focus, energy levels, and distractions all could have varied from one test date to the other. At Zara Tutoring, we use the SAT ACT diagnostic from college planning partnerships, and parents have been pleased with the format of the test, the accuracy of the results, and the 9-page report that states which test the students scored better on, as well as a thorough analysis for each section. I also provide about a 15-minute audio analysis. From there, you can choose to utilize free resources like Khan Academy or YouTube videos to prep for the test that your child scored higher on. That being said, the number of differing approaches can be overwhelming and confusing. Also, I've personally found that most students, and most adults for that matter, perform better through accountability. As Pearson's law states, when performance is measured, performance improves. At Zara Tutoring, we hold one-on-one sessions year-round to prep for whichever test date your child is signed up for. We also hold small group classes that provide a 25% discount. In order to keep the program personalized, even when in a group setting, we provide students and parents alike with feedback through weekly personalized progress reports for you and your child regarding your child's progress, based on the documents the student submitted that week prior to the weekly assignment deadline. We hold our sessions at my office at Tinket in Rochester, as well as remotely via Zoom. See the more than 240 5-star reviews from satisfied clients who have benefited from our personalized approach. For our next small groups, our lead SAT ACT instructor, Ashley, will be holding a 9-session small group in preparation for the August 26th SAT, as well as an 11-session small group in preparation for the September 9th ACT. Both groups start on June 29th. To enroll in either our one-on-one or small group sessions, students need to take our SAT ACT diagnostic by Sunday, June 18th. Click on the link below to schedule a free 10-minute consultation with me so that I can better understand your child's unique background and provide a personalized recommendation. Let's do this.